Hello students, we have already started the chapter multiplication. Today we will be learning multiplication by a one digit number. Okay, we will be learning how to multiply by a one digit number. Let's take example of 213 multiplied by 2. Okay, we will be learning how to multiply 213 by 2. 2 is a single digit number, one digit number. Okay, first what we need to do, as we all know, this is ones place, tens and hundred. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. So every time when we multiply, we have to start from ones place. Okay, we have to start from ones place. So 2 multiply 3 equals to 2 3s are 6. After multiplying this two number, we have to shift to tens place, and in tens place you can see there is 1. So with 2 again we need to multiply. 2 multiply 1 equals to 2. As tens number is also over, now we have to go to hundreds place. So 2 multiply 2 equals to 4. Therefore, when you multiply 213 multiplied by 2, your product will be 426. Okay, this is known as product. After multiplying, the answer what you get is known as product. Let's take another example of 43 multiplied by 4. Okay, let's take example of 43 multiplied by 4. So first we need to multiply always ones place, the digit which is there in ones place. So 4 multiplied 3 equals to 12. Correct? 4, you cannot write 12 here directly. It will be wrong if you write like that. Now what you need to do, 12 is two digit number, so only the number which is there in your right side and the 1 is there in left side. So always the number which is there in right side you need to write just below, and the remaining number you need to write this 1 on the top of the tens number. Okay, once again I'll explain you. 4 multiplied 3 equals to 12. 12 is two digit number, that's why the number which is in right side you need to write that below, and the remaining number you need to write on the top of the tens place, the number which is there in the tens place. Okay, now 4 multiply 4. 4 multiply 4 is 16. 16. But remember, 1 you have kept, it's already carry over. So 16 plus 1 equals to 17. Now this 17 you can write here, as there is no number in hundreds place. There is no number in hundreds place, that's why we can write 17 here. Okay, let's take another example of 402 multiply by 3. Now let us multiply 402 by 3. 2 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, and 4 is at hundreds place. Now we will start multiplying the number which is in ones place. 3 multiply 2. So 3 multiply 2 is 6. 3 into 2 equals to 6. 3 multiply 0 equals to 0. In last video, I have already explained the number which you multiply with 0 is always equals to 0. Okay, therefore you need to write 0 here. Now 3 multiply 4 equals to 12. Now there is no number in thousands place, that's why we can bring 1 directly down. That means your answer will be 1206. Let's take one more example of 110 multiplied by 9. 0 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Now 9 you need to multiply first with 0. So 9 multiply 0 is 0. 9 multiply 1 equals to 9, and 9 multiply 1 equals to 9. Therefore your product is 990. One more example, that is, let's take example of 305 multiplied by 5. Okay, 305 multiplied by 5. Same way, first we need to start from ones place. 5 multiplied 5. 5 multiplied 5 equals to 25. Yes, we know the tables, that's why it is easy for us to multiply instead of repeated addition. Okay, so 5 multiply 5 equals 25. The number which is at your right side, the number which is at your right side will be written below, and the number which is at the left side, you need to write this number just above the number which is at the tens place, that is here. Can you see? After multiplying the number which is at the right side, you need to write just below and just straight to the ones place, and the remaining number you need to write on the top of the tens place, that is 2. The number which is carry over, that is always added. Okay, you don't need to multiply, you need to add. Now let's multiply another number. 5 multiplied by 0. 5 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. So first you multiply the number. Given number, and then only if you have carryover you can add it. So 5 multiplied 0 is 0, and 0 plus 2 equals to 2. The number added to 0 is always the same. Okay, that means 0 plus 2 is always 2, not 0. Remember, when we add, you need to write the same number. Okay, now 5, it's only 2, therefore there is no carryover here, so we are not going to write anything on the top. 5 multiplied 3 equals to 15. Now as we can see, there is no number on the thousands place, therefore we will be writing 15. Your product after multiplying 305 multiplied by 5, your product will be 1525. Okay, I hope you understood.